Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with League of Legends or Valorant. While trying to install or update the game, you got an error. We couldn't install a required dependency. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, open up your browser and I recommend to use a VPN while updating or installing the game using the Riot client. And as a VPN, I recommend to use Urban VPN as it is totally free of cost. Connect it, launch it, and then try to update the game. And next is right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Here press the V key to find VGC service. Double click to open it. If the service status is stopped, click on the start option to start the service at once. Once the service is started, in the startup type, make it automatic, hit apply, OK button. Now in next step, you need to launch the Riot client. Launch Riot client and try to update the game to fix out the issue of we couldn't install a required dependency while installing the League of Legends. Now if this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, I have a repair tool directly from the Riot support. Scroll down and download it for Windows or Mac, whichever system you have. Save it into a system. Now once the tool is downloaded, go ahead and launch it into your PC to install it into your system. Proceed with the on-screen instructions and this will go ahead and install the repair hex tool into your system to repair Riot client as well as League of Legends while installing the game. You can see the tool has automatically started up. Another options available right over here, check mark these options which are already tick marked. And one more thing you need to check mark is reinstall and then force repatch. Once you have done these changes, go ahead and click on the option start to start repatching and repairing your Riot client and League of Legends. Once it is processed, restart your PC and then try to update your game to fix out the issue of we couldn't install a required dependency. If this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now in this address bar, you need to paste a path which I will share you in the description of this video. Paste the path and hit the enter key. Now in this right pane, you will find a file with the name dev override enable. However, if it is not available, like right now, it is not available at my end. Create one by right clicking new and choose the option divert 32-bit value and give it a name dev override enable. Once done so, double click to open it and give it a value as 0. Then hit the OK button. Now go ahead and simply restart your PC and relaunch your game to fix out the issue of we couldn't install a required dependency. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, I recommend if you have installed any third-party antivirus such as Avast, AVG, Norton, any antivirus, make sure you completely disable or uninstall it from your system. And even Windows security also, go ahead, open the Windows security, click on virus and threat protection and under manage settings, turn off the real-time protection. After turning off real-time protection, under the Riot client, right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Make sure you choose the option run as administrator while launching the Riot client. Now go ahead, sign it, and after you signing in, try to update your League of Legends or Valorant to fix out the issue of we couldn't install a required dependency. However, if nothing fails, the last hope you have is to first of all click on this up arrow key and find Riot client. Once it is available, right click on it and choose the option exit. Make sure you completely exit Riot client. Then click on start menu and type CMD. Choose the option run as administrator. Type here two commands one by one. SC delete VGC and hit the enter key. Now second one is SC delete VGC and again hit the enter key. Once both the commands are processed, make sure to restart your PC. Again I am telling you to restart your PC, as this is a compulsory step, else these commands will not work. After restarting, head over to C drive, program files and find riot vanguard folder. Right click on it and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, and that is the reason I am getting this particular error. So at your end, after restarting your PC, delete the folder riot vanguard. After deleting, again right click on riot client and choose the option run as administrator. Go ahead and log in onto the riot servers. Now once you are logged in, select your game, Valorant or League of Legends, whichever is causing you the issue. You will find the option of update. Go ahead, click on the option update. Wait for the update to finish and then restart your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of we couldn't install a required dependency. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.